Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Photo app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Google Photo app. After you open up your Google Photo app, next thing you want to do is to simply then click on this plus sign right here. Then click on album. Then enter the title of the album right here. Enter the description. Click select photo. Select as many as possible photos from your Google Photo gallery right here. So here we go. I'm going to select this, this, and this, and this, this. Next thing you need to do is to click on add. Click on add right here. Once you are done, click on this check mark right here. Then you have all the image right here. For you to share this particular image link, what you want to do is to click on share right here. The next thing you want to do is to simply click on get link. Next thing you want to do is to click on create link. Link has been successfully copied. Next thing you want to do is to click on share with link. So it's going to take you right here. Now, you can either click on copy link, or better still, you can send it direct to the Google account. For you to send direct to Google account, click on add people. Then from the drop down right here, select the Google account that you want to send it with. If you cannot find any contacts right here, click on more. Then you have more contacts right here. Then you can simply select them and share the photo with them. Once you are done, you are good to go, and they will receive the link to that particular picture from your Google Photo. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this about how best to use your Google Photo, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.